continuing all of our programs. It's one of the most highest priorities we have is working with the Tajik government to make sure and to help them secure their border. It's not something you can do in a year or 2 years or 3 years. The challenges, as you mentioned, are great. It is an extremely long border. It's a very difficult border to police because the mountainous side of eastern side of Tajikistan is extremely desolate. There are not a lot of border posts there. People want to cross the river, they can cross the river. And even on the western side, closer where you're going to Nizhny, you'll see it's like the border that the United States has with Mexico, but we don't have a large fence there, we don't have the electronic equipment, we don't have the people personnel that we have on the border of Mexico. So it is a very long border. The challenges of doing that are fantastic. It's difficult. You have a number of particular problems, making sure they have enough people to patrol it, making sure they're trained, making sure they're equipped, making sure they have the ability to work with other parts of the government so that if they stop something, they can quickly get it prosecuted if they do have a seizure. So it affects so many things on the judicial side, the prosecutorial side, and of course the direct law enforcement side. Something we're working, something other donors, other countries are working closely with Tajikistan on, but there's not a quick fix. We can't say 2 years the border will be airtight. I think that's an impossible thing to do. What we are trying to do is to make sure we provide the tools and help the Tajiks so they can do the best possible job of securing the border.